The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes one-fourth of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time.
Yes, Hasni. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression by? So here the amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes one-fourth of the air remaining in it. Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Means what? These type of questions, Hasni, you can consider original volume. We can do it with variables also. We can do it with some number also. What is the situation is, Hasni? Here, at every instant, the vacuum pump is removing one-fourth of the air present in the cylinder, Hasni.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let us take Hasni second one, the first question. That is the amount of air present. Originally, let us take it 100 is there, Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In the starting, full cylinder has 100, Hasni. Now, what is this vacuum pump removing, Hasni? One-fourth of. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is situation one. Let us take first. Initially, it has 100, Hasni. A1, term one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, Hasni, one-fourth removed. One-fourth of 100.
Okay.
Means what? 1/4 into
100.
100. 4 ones are 4, 25. So, Hasni, now they're particularly talking about amount of air present in the cylinder. The situation is present in the cylinder. Now,
Yes.
1/4 of 100 is removed means what is present in the cylinder? Present in 25 is removed, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So 100 minus.
100 minus 25.
So how much is remained? How much is remained, Hasni? Hasni?
Sir, could you hear me?
Yes, Hasni. How much is remained?
Sir, 75, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Now again the situation continues, Hasni.
Okay.
So what is present in the second case now? 75 is there in the cylinder. In that 1/4 again is removed.
Okay.
1/4 into
75.
yes, Hasni. So we cannot cut 75 and 4. We can write 75 by
4.
4. Now this is removed. So present A3, term 3, present in the cylinder. Okay, air present in the cylinder is equal to, before step it was 75 is there, no Hasni?
Yes, sir.
In that 75, no, 75 by 4 is removed.
Okay, sir.
Now present in this every situation we are finding out the air present in the cylinder only.
Okay, sir.
So that's why A3 is equal to present in the cylinder is nothing but 75 minus 75 by 4. So by 1 here into 4 Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So which is 300 minus 75 by 4, which is 225 by
4.
4 Hasni. LCM I did it and subtract.
Okay, sir.
Now Hasni, we should continue the process like this. Next what we should do, 1/4 of 225 by 4 we should do. It will become 225 by 16. Like that will go on. So I have found out the three terms, Hasni. A1 is 100. Originally it has 100. A2 I found out after removing 1/4. 75 is left. Then A3 I found out 1/4 of 75 after removing 225 by 4 is left, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Now what I will do is, Hasni, I just stopped at A3 because if suppose generally we should do A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2 and A4 minus at least 3 we should find out, Hasni. At least one more A4 also I should find out. But here if A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2 will come equal, then I'll find out A4 also to check A4 minus A3.
Okay, sir.
But if A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2 will not come equal means there only I'll stop.
Okay, sir.
So how I got these fractions, have you understood it, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so now I'm checking whether the situation is following AP or not. So first common difference I'm finding out, that is A2 minus A1 Hasni. is 75 minus 100 minus 25. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now second common difference. Common difference simply we can represent it with D also or CD common D. We already discussed that. Now
Okay.
A3 minus A2 I am doing first.
Okay, sir.
225 by 4 minus 75. This is 1 into 4 into 4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 225 minus 300 LCM I am doing.
Okay, sir.
225 minus 300 is how much has me? Minus 75 by 4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now Hasni, you can see first common difference D, we got minus 25. And second one we got minus 75 by 4. Are they equal? Because 75 by 3 would have gone, we got, if suppose we would have got minus 75 by 3 means it will be minus 25 only Hasni. But minus 75 by 4 we got.
Okay.
So because of that reason, minus 75 by 4, if we try to do the fraction also, you'll get it as 15 or like 18 point something like that, which is not equal to this, no?
Yes, sir.
So we need not find out A4 has term 4.
Okay.
So we got A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus
A3.
A2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because A2 minus A1 we got minus 25 and this is not equal to minus 75 by 4 has.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt has been?
No, sir.
So because of that reason, Hasni, this situation, whatever removing 1/4 of air at every instant and whatever air present in the remaining air present in the cylinder, the situation is not following arithmetic, not following arithmetic progression.
Okay, sir.
So another way of solving this question is Hasni, we have to take the original value as here I took 100, no? They'll take V or X, something like that.
Okay, sir.
And they'll do 1/4 of X. Actually, variables involving subtraction here, you may confuse Hasni. That is the reason why I took 100 as the original one.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, variables also we can do. First, they will take it as V or X something. 1/4 means V by 4 or X by 4 they'll do. 1/4 of it means 1/4 of V means V by 4 it will become 1 by 4 into V.
Okay,
Then
sir.
V by 4 they'll subtract it from V starting like how I did 100 minus 25 here. 1/4 of 100 is 25, so 100 minus 25 I did to get the remaining air cylinder present in the cylinder. Same way they'll do with the variables. But again, later A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2 checking also with variables will confuse. So that's why I took the starting one as 100
Okay.
members. Okay, so shall I delete this? Ask me any doubt?
No, sir.
So second one is not following arithmetic progression.
Okay, sir.
Third question, ask me. Once you read the question, ask me. Third one.
The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it cost rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by 50 each subsequent meter.
Yes, ask me. 150 for the first meter, ask me.
Okay, sir.
So Hasni, first meter means let us take A1. So if they dig 1 meter Hasni, that person has to pay 150 rupees
Okay, sir.
for 1 meter. Now second meter onwards Hasni, every meter they will add 50 rupees extra it seems.
Okay, sir.
Suppose 2 meters if they dig 2 meters Hasni, 150 for the first meter and second meter onwards 50 will get added. So second, if suppose they did till the second meter Hasni, how much they'll pay?
150 plus 50.
Yes, Hasni. So 200. Now if they dig till the third meter, it will become extra 50 again. 250. If they dig 4th meter and again extra 50. Like that, it will go on, Hasni.
Okay.
Now we'll check whether this will follow AP or not, Hasni. I found till the 4th meter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I'm doing A2 minus A1, Hasni. Now 200 minus 150. So first common difference D, Hasni, is equal to 50.
Okay, sir.
So now, Hasni, A3 minus A2 I'm doing. A3 minus A2 is 250 minus 200, which is also again 50, Hasni. And the next one is A4 minus A3. 250 minus, oh, here I wrote 200, 250, this should be 300, no, Hasni?
Yes, sir. I wrote 300 only.
Yes, Hasni. So 300 minus 250, Hasni, this is again 50. You can see, Hasni, A4, A2 minus A1 50, A3 minus A2 50, A4 minus A3 50. Common difference is matched, has.
Okay, sir.
So because of that reason, A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3, all of them equal to 50, has. Hence, this particular situation follows arithmetic progression.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni, in this?
No, sir, I got it.
Okay, Hasni. Fourth one, Hasni. Shall I do the fourth one?
Okay, sir.
Once you read the question, Hasni.
The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum.
Yes, Hasni. So, Hasni, they're asking us to check the amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest 8% per annum. So, Hasni, every year means generally in compound interest cases, Hasni, the money will, suppose if you keep some amount of money in the bank, Hasni, at compound interest, it will increase little bit by the interest will get added and it will increase little, Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that will become yes, Hasni. Every year, how much it is changing? Like for example, 1 lakh if we keep Hasni, next after 1 year, we thought if you don't take that 1 lakh, suppose let us take it will become 1,10,000 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
And that next year, if it is simple interest case Hasni, every year same interest will add. But compound interest is little extra will get than the simple interest. So in the next year, Hasni, 1,10,000, then it will not be exact 10,000. It will become 1,12,000. Sorry, 2 lakh, 1,12,000. 10 plus 12, 1,22,000, something like that. Okay. So that extra value, whatever is added, is called as the interest here. So is the situation following arithmetic progression, whatever or not, is the question asked. After every year, whatever the amount that will become, will that situation follow arithmetic progression or not? Is the question
Okay.
asked. So now in compound interest case asked me to find out the amount after every year, we have a formula. Asmi, I think this we will get it in class at Asmi if you remember. So this using this formula, we'll find out the amounts Asmi after every year.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So these amounts after every year are only the terms of this AP, terms of this progression Asmi. Then
Okay.
we'll check by doing A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, whether they are equal or not. We'll check it Asmi. Okay.
Uh, okay, sir.
So fourth one Asmi, originally the principal starting value. Starting value is how much Asmi? 10,000. Originally, the person kept 10,000 in that
Okay.
bank. Okay, our percentage is 8 Hasni, 8% interest it seems. So Hasni, N is 1. N means number of years Hasni. They're asking us to check every year, no?
Yes, sir.
Every year, so N is the number of years Hasni. So
Okay.
Hasni, first I am finding out amount 1 Hasni. Amount 1 means what Hasni? Amount after first year. Okay, amount after first year Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
The formula is Hasni, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. This is a formula to find out the amount in compound interest cases. Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So here I wrote A1. This is actually a formula for amount. If I want A2, I'll keep A2 there, which means amount after second year.
Okay, sir.
So Hasni, now P, I'll just substitute the values. P is how much?
10,000.
Into 8 by 1 plus R is how much? 8 by N is 1 has. Amount of the first year.
Okay.
Number of years 1 year. So 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 Hasni. Here you have to do LCM. Into 1, sorry, into 100 into 100. LCM is 100 only, no? So that's
Okay, sir.
100 by 100 plus 8 by 100, which is 10,000 into 108 by 100 Hasni. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt Hasni? So these zeros will get cut Hasni. So if you multiply, you'll get 100 into 108. 108 and 0, 0. Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Now you can see Hasni, 10,000 is the money that person invest that kept in the bank. It became 10,800 after 1 year.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll check the amount after second year Hasni. So in compound interest cases Hasni, what will happen is this 10,800 is there no Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Which is the amount after first year that will become the principal for the second year Hasni, in compound interest cases.
Okay.
Means they will not consider the original 10,000. They'll give interest on the amount it became after 1 year.
Okay, sir.
Means that is the reason why you will get extra advantage here. Means this whatever extra 8% interest, the interest they'll calculate it on 10,800 but not on 10,000. So you'll get automatically little more.
Okay, sir.
So now here what I will do is ask me formula is same. A is equal to again P into
P into 1 plus R by
1
100.
plus R by 100
And
whole power n Hasni. Again, this is amount after second year we are finding out. Principal what should we take? 10,800 we should take.
okay, sir.
Not the starting 10,000.
Okay, sir.
Whatever the amount we got after 1 year, that will become the principal for the second.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So into 1 plus R same 8%. Again, n is for the second particular year, no? One year only.
Yes, sir.
Students will do one mistake. N we should not take two hours. A2 means that amount after second year, but we are taking that particular second year only. So N is 1 hour.
Okay, sir.
We should not write 2 hours. N.
Okay.
Suppose you are finding out directly amount after 2 years means then N is 2. But you are separately finding out year by year, no here.
Yes, sir.
So that's why N is 1 hour. So Hasni, shall I delete this part? I am writing it here.
Okay, sir. You can.
So now what it will become is Hasni, A2 is equal to 10,800 into 1 plus 8 by 100 Hasni. Shall I directly add like this Hasni? Same way.
Okay,
It
sir.
will become 108 by 100 only again.
Okay, sir.
If you add it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Whole power 1 means 108 by 100. Now 2 zeros again it will get cut Hasni. It will become 108 into 108.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Exactly. 11,664 will get Hasni here. This is the 8.
Okay, sir.
Now Hasni I am finding out 8. A3 same formula again. P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. P what we should take Hasni?
P 11664.
Yes, Hasni, nice Hasni. So whatever the amount it became after second year will become the principal for the third year.
Okay, sir.
Into 1 plus R. R again 8%. And that particular year only. So n is a 1 Hasni again.
Okay, sir.
That particular third year. So now 11664 into 108 by 100 Hasni. Again. 1 plus 8 by 100 after doing LCM, you'll get 108 by 100.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So, Hasni, here 100 and 11664, these will go with the two table, but I'm not cancelling because the reason is, Hasni, we can shift the decimal easily when 10 or 100 or 1000 is there in the denominator.
Okay.
Okay. Before means I cancelled here zeros because zeros are there here, so I cancel.
Okay, sir.
Now here what I will do is Hasni, we'll prefer 11664 into 108 multiplication. By 100 will be easy to shift the decimal Hasni. Okay.
Okay.
So now what I am doing is 11664 into 108 I am doing it Hasni.
Okay, sir.
I'll get 1259712
Okay, sir.
by 100. By 100 means simply we'll shift two decimals left side
Okay,
from
sir.
the last. So what will become Hasni? 111259.7.12.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt in this Hasni?
No, sir.
By 100 means what I did is 11664 into 108 I multiplied, and by 100 I just shifted the decimal instead of cancelling with 2, because if you cancel with 2 again denominator will become other than 10 or 100. You have to divide the numerator to get the decimal Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So why I did that, have you understood clearly Hasni? Hello?
Could you hear me, sir?
Yes, Hasni. Why I did this Hasni? By 100 why I didn't cancel with 2 table?
Because there are no zero sets set you to cancel, and you have to multiply it for getting proper thing.
Yes, Hasni. If we cut it, what is the disadvantage Hasni? We can cut with 2 table, no actually?
Yes, sir. Then the decimals won't shift, right, sir, and it will be a bigger number.
Means you will get the same answer if you cut it with 2 table also Hasni, but the denominator will become other than 10 or 100.
Okay, sir.
Then later you will get some fraction that numerator you need to divide with whatever denominator you get, then you will get the same answer, but the division time you can save it also.
Okay, sir.
And here cancellation time also you can save it.
Okay, sir.
This is only when denominators have 110,000 like that.
Okay.
We'll just multiply the numerators and we'll using the 110,000 in the denominator shift the decimal.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Ashley. So now we found out three amounts, Ashley. One is they're asking us to check the amount on, the amount of money in the account every year on.
Yes, sir.
So that particular thing, is it following arithmetic progression or not? We'll check it, Ashley now. Amount after 1 year I found out, amount after second year I found out, amount after third year I found out, Ashley. So these amounts, if required, if A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2 will come equal, I'll find out A4 also, Ashley.
Okay, sir.
So otherwise, if these two only will not come equal, means this situation, componentary situation will not follow arithmetic progression in terms of amounts after every year.
Okay, sir.
So shall I delete this Asmi?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Asmi. So I'm verifying A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2 Asmi now.
Okay, sir.
So Asmi, once I'm deleting this, you will tell A1, A2, A3 values Asmi. Or else I'll write it on the top Asmi.
Okay,
Or
sir.
else I'll delete it. You have written it Asmi.
Yes, sir.
So I'm deleting this Asni. Fourth one. A1 is how much Asni? Amount A1?
108.
10,800 Asni. Amount 11,664. Second one.
Yes, sir.
And A3 is
1, 2,
12,597.12 Asni. So
yes, sir.
now I'm checking A2 minus A1 Asni. D. 11,664 minus 10,800. So
Oh,
we'll get it as how much Asni? 864. Okay. Any doubt Asni?
no, sir.
1 2 minus 1 11,664 now. A3 minus A2 plus.
Okay, sir.
12597.12 minus 11,664. 933.12 we are getting this answer. So you can see clearly when compared with first to second, second to third, interest little bit increased. That is the reason why this change in it.
Okay, sir.
So here Hasni, we can clearly see So A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. So this particular component amount in the component risk case after every year will not follow arithmetic regression.
Okay, sir.
Amounts in CI component risk cases after every year will not follow
Okay, sir.
APS
Okay,
arithmetic progression.
okay, sir.
Exactly. So this is about the first question. So most of the time, Hasni, this is these situations are for general day-to-day life advantages or situations to understand arithmetic progression, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
But in exams, mostly they are not asking, except these type of points will be useful for the arithmetic assertion reasoning type of points.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So shall I delete this, Hasni? For understanding purpose only these ones. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So shall I delete it, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's read the second question. Second question.
Write the first four terms of AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows.
Yes, Hasni. So Hasni, we already know before here third bit Hasni. First 150, then 50 when you added, you got the second term, no?
Yes, sir.
Then again that 50 only you added, you got the third term, no?
Yes, sir.
So simply if you add the common difference to the before term, you will get the next term.
Okay, sir.
So now here they're asking Hasni in the second question, they gave the first term A of 10 Hasni. A means first term and D as 10. So they're asking the next four terms Hasni. Means simply A2 is nothing but A first term plus common difference.
Okay, sir.
Now A3 is nothing but A2 plus common difference. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A2 is how much? 20 plus common difference is
30.
30. Then A4 is nothing but A3 plus again D common difference.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Then similarly A5 means A4 plus common difference. Okay, Asmi?
Okay, sir.
40 plus 10 which is
50.
any doubt, Asmi?
No, sir.
Okay, Asmi, like that. So we got the next four terms, Asmi, of AP.
Okay, sir.
Shall I delete it, Asmi?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Asmi. Now second question, second bit, Asmi. So A is given as how much, Asmi?
-2.
D is 0. A means first term. So second term is nothing but A plus common difference. First term plus common difference, okay?
Okay, sir.
Minus. Then third term is nothing but A2 plus common difference. Yes or no, Asmi?
Yes, sir.
So here we are not doing any formula, directly by general understanding we are doing.
Okay, sir.
So since common difference is 0, Hasni, all the terms will get -2. So A4 means A3 plus common difference, Hasni. -2 plus 0.
Okay, sir.
-2. A5 means A4 plus common difference. -2 plus 0. -2. Like that. So all the series contains -2, -2. All the terms will be -2s only, Hasni. Because the reason is common difference is 0. That's the reason. If common difference is 0, still it is AP only. All the terms will come same.
Okay, sir.
So then why it is AP? Because difference between the terms is same everywhere means whether it is 0 also not a problem. It's AP only.
Okay.
This has me. Shall I delete this has me?
Okay, sir.
Second one has me. Third. Once A is 4 Hasni this time. A means first term and D is
Second.
minus.
Yes.
So A2 is nothing but Hasni A plus D Hasni. 4 plus minus 3, which means 4 minus 3, which is
1.
Hasni A3. A3 means A2 plus second term plus common difference. 1 plus minus 3 Hasni. 1 plus of minus 3 is minus 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
Then A4 Hasni. A4 means A3 plus common difference, which is A3 is how much Hasni?
A3 is minus 2, sir.
Yes, Hasni plus minus. So it will become minus 2 plus of minus 3 is minus. Minus 2 minus 3 Hasni, both are negative. We have to add it and write minus 9.
Okay, sir.
No. Similarly, one more we'll find out Hasni A5. A5 is nothing but A4 plus common difference. So which is minus 5 plus minus 3. So minus 5 plus of minus is minus. Minus 2 minus 3 Hasni minus
8.
8 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So these are the next 4 terms in the series Hasni. We got 1 minus 2 minus 5 and minus 8.
Okay, sir.
Will I delete it Hasni?
Okay, sir.
You're doing parallel with me Hasni.
Yes, sir, I'm with you only.
Okay. Then next one Hasni. Second one 4th bit. A is minus 1 Hasni this time and D is 1 by 2. So A2 is nothing but A plus B Hasni first. Minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So
Okay.
Hasni here LCM we should do by 1. No, this is
Yes, sir.
into 2 into 2. This is into 1 into 1. LCM is 1 on 2 only, so that's right. Minus 2 plus 1 by 2 Hasni, which is minus 1 by 2 Hasni. Read out Hasni.
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Now A3 Hasni. A3 is nothing but A2 plus common difference Hasni.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
A2 is minus 1 by 2 Hasni. Plus common difference is 1 by 2. So Hasni, you can see already the denominators are same. So numerators we can add directly.
Yes, sir.
Minus 1 plus 1 by 2.
2.
Minus 1 plus 1 is Hasni 0. 0 by 2 is
0.
Hasni. That is correct. Now A4 Hasni. A4 is nothing but A3 plus common difference. A3 is how much? 0 plus 1 by 2. 0, if you add it with anything, you will get that number only Hasni, which you are adding. So no need of taking LCM. To do LCM also, you get 0 plus 1 by 2.
Okay, sir.
So answer is 1 by 2 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Now finally A5 Hasni is nothing but A4 plus common difference. So which is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Already denominators are same Hasni. We'll add the numerators 1 plus 1 by 2 is 2 by 2, which is
1.
1 Hasni. So all the next 4 terms we found out Hasni. Minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 1 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
No doubt, no Hasni till here.
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Actually delete it Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Second one, 5th bit Hasni now. Second one, 5th bit. A is minus 1.25 Hasni and D is minus 0.25. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Hasni, now what I am doing is same. A2 is equal to second term is nothing but first term plus common difference.
Okay, sir.
Minus 1.25 plus bracket open. Since it's a negative term, second one I am writing it in separately in the bracket. When you open the bracket, both minus 1.25 plus of minus 0.25.
Okay.
So ask me minus 1.25 minus 0.25 is minus 1.50 you'll get asked. Both negative now we'll add it.
Okay, sir.
And we'll keep minus and as it is. A3 is nothing but ask me A2 plus
D.
common difference. Minus 1.50 plus minus 0.25, which is minus 1.50 plus of minus 0.25, which is minus 1.75. Again, both negative we have to add and keep the negative sign.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then next one has me A4 has me, which is A3 plus common difference. A3 is minus 1.75 has me plus common difference. So plus of minus shall I directly write minus 0.25 has me,
Okay.
because I wrote it clearly for the first and second one.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, plus of minus 0.25 get minus 0.5. Again, both are negative also, we'll add and we'll keep minus. We'll get minus 2.00 also, which is simply we can write it as
Minus 2.
minus. Any
Okay.
doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Now finally, fifth term Hasni, A4 plus common difference. A4 is minus 2 plus common difference is again minus 0.25. So minus 2 minus 0.25 will get up.
Minus 2. Okay, sir.
So when you add this, you get minus 2.25. I hope you don't have any doubt adding decimal with normal number, Hasni. Minus 2 means minus 2.00. 0.25 means you have to keep like this.
Okay, sir.
So like this, you should have. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So, right. So Hasni, I found out the next four terms A2, A3, A4, A5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I hope there is no doubt, Hasni.
No, sir.
Okay. So second question is also completed, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So we'll go to the next question, Hasni. Just a second. So Hasni, point that is in the second question. In the first question, main heading Hasni, they said in which of the following situations the list of members involved make an arithmetic progression and why. So after the situations, we found the list of members and we checked it now, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
And we whether they got AP or not, we checked it after listing those numbers.
Yes, sir.
Second one has the which right first four terms of AP means what they only said the series is in AP already. In the first question, out of 4 bits, we got 2 of them in AP, 2 of them not in AP. No,
Yes, sir.
this is the first question. Has they are asking us to check after listing the numbers.
Okay, sir.
Means we don't know whether they'll get AP or not. It means we are checking the common difference. If they come equal, that situation follows AP in the first question, all of them.
Okay, sir.
In the second question, Hasni, out of all those, they only said that they are in AP. They gave the first term and common difference. Simply, if you add the common difference to the previous term, you'll get the next term.
Okay, sir.
And in the third question, now again, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Means for this third question also, they would, for the following APs means what has me? We need not check A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2 again separately, whether it is in AP or not, because they only said for the following APs means that is already, the question is already in AP. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For the following APs, meaning is what has been, the question is already in AP. So we need not check A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2 like that continuously. So any one of them, if you do, that is only the common difference.
Okay, sir.
So third one, again, since it's already mentioned as AP, we just have to write the first term and the
Second term.
common difference. First term is nothing but A. A is how much as in the first term?
3.
3 over that much only. Common difference means as A2 minus A1 you can do or A3 minus A2 your wish as. Anything will come same. So A2 is 1 Hasni minus A1 is 3 Hasni. So 1 minus 3
minus 2.
minus 2. So Hasni, suppose if you are doing A2 minus A1, you should notice that A2 is already negative and A1 is 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 you will get. But A3 minus A2, if you are doing Hasni, you should notice that A3 is negative and A1 is also negative. But you have to do subtraction there. It should come. It should be written like this. Okay, minus 3 plus 1 it will become minus of minus plus 1 finally you will get
minus 2. Oh.
minus 2. So you should notice that thing also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, if we can do A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3, anything.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Asmi. Any doubt, Asmi? Is that okay, Asmi?
Okay, sir.
Asmi?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Asmi. Then second bit, Asmi. Again, if you see the second bit, first term is how much, Asmi?
minus 5.
Yes, Asmi. First term is minus 5. So A is minus 5, Asmi. A is minus 5 first term. D is nothing but A2 minus A1 Asmi. A2 is how much?
minus 1.
And in the formula we have minus and A1 is also minus Asmi.
Oh.
Like this we should write. So minus 1 minus of minus will become
Plus.
yes, Asmi. Minus 1 plus 5 how much?
Minus. So minus 1.
Finally it became minus 1 plus 5 now.
Yes, sir. 4.
Asmi?
4.
Yes, Asmi. That is correct. So third bit Asmi. Third bit is A is how much Asmi? First term 1 by 3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
D is A2 minus A1 Asmi. Or A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, anything. Your wish.
Okay, sir.
So 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 Asmi, which is 4 by 3.
Okay.
Any doubt, Asmi?
No, sir.
Yes, Asmi, that is correct. 4 by 3. Now finally fourth bit Asmi. Here only I am doing it Asmi, fourth bit. Okay.
Okay, sir.
A is 0.6
6.
Asmi and D is A2 minus A1. It is 1.7 minus 0.6 Asmi, which is 1.1.
1.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So this is about the third question, Hasni. Shall I delete it, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Now finally fourth one, Hasni. So Hasni, you can read the fourth question main heading once.
Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms.
Next 3 terms. Yes, no, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
So, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
So Hasni, here again, if you see the main heading, which of the following are APs means they didn't confirm the given question is already in AP.
Okay, sir.
Means we need to first confirm whether the situation is AP or not. After that, if it follows AP, then we need to find the common difference and the next 4 terms.
Okay, sir.
So how to confirm whether that is in AP Hasni, we need to find out at least 2 common differences. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, like that. 2 or 3 common differences. If you find out for the given term Hasni, if they come equal, then they are in AP.
Okay, sir.
So Hasni, for the fourth question, first one we'll do it Hasni. 2, 4, 8, 16 Hasni. So A2, first common difference I'm checking. D is equal to A2 minus A1. 4 minus 2 Hasni. How much?
4 minus 2, sir.
2 Hasni. That is correct. So now Hasni, again D I'm checking A3 minus
8.
A2, which is 8 minus 4 Hasni, which is
4.
And D again I am finding out now A4 minus A3 also, which is 16 minus 8, which is
8.
8. So did we get the D value A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2 and A4 minus A3 equal, Hasni?
No, sir.
Actually, we can stop at A3 minus A2 only, Hasni, because A2 minus A1 became not equal to A3 minus A2. There, we need not do A4 minus A3 for this at all.
Okay, sir.
Because first two only became not equal. So no need of finding out the next one.
Okay, sir.
So Hasni, so it will not follow, series will not follow, it won't follow AP Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So if it is not AP, we need not find the common difference because common difference cannot be different. No?
Yes, sir.
So we further next four terms also we cannot find what else because it's not following a proper order of maintaining the same common difference. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that is the reason why we have to end it here only for the first bit.
Okay, sir.
So Asli, for the from the second bit onwards, especially shall we do it in our next class, Asli?
Okay,
So
sir.
because it has fractions, so that you will be with fresh mind.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Asli. So any doubt in today's class, Asli?
No, no, sir.
Okay, Asli. Okay, Asli. Bye, Asli.
Bye, sir.
Okay.